The moon, our celestial neighbor, has long been a source of fascination and wonder. Its silvery glow has inspired countless stories, guided explorers across vast oceans, and been the subject of mankind's dreams for centuries. This fascination transcends cultures and borders, uniting us in our shared curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. The moon's allure isn't just about its beauty or its enigmatic presence in our night sky, it's about the secrets it holds about our solar system's past, its potential for future space exploration, and the profound questions it prompts about our place in the universe. The moon is a time capsule, a laboratory, a stepping stone to the stars. In a remarkable feat of engineering and exploration, the China National Space Administration, or CNSA, successfully collected soil samples from the lunar surface. This milestone not only illuminates our understanding of the moon, but also brings back valuable insights about our moon's history and composition. The Chang'e Program, named after the Chinese goddess of the moon, is a series of missions launched by CNSA to explore Earth's natural satellite. The program is a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration that pushes us beyond the boundaries of our home planet. The Chang'e missions began in 2007 with the launch of Chang'e 1, China's first lunar probe. This initial mission, followed by Chang'e 2 and 3, laid the groundwork for what was to come. Each mission building upon the successes of the last, paving the way towards the ultimate goal: to collect lunar soil samples and return them to Earth. Chang'e 4 was a milestone in itself, marking the first time a spacecraft soft-landed on the far side of the moon. But it was Chang'e 5 that would make history. Launched in November 2020, this mission had a singular, ambitious objective: to collect samples from a previously unexplored area of the moon known as Mons Rumker. Mons Rumker, a volcanic complex in the northern region of the Oceanus Procellarum, was chosen for its geological significance. The area is believed to be the site of the moon's most recent volcanic activity, and the samples collected could provide unprecedented insights into the moon's volcanic history. This was no small feat. To achieve this, Chang'e 5 was equipped with a lander and an ascender. The lander was tasked with collecting the samples while the ascender would carry them back to the orbiter for the return journey to Earth. The mission was a success, marking China as only the third country to have retrieved lunar samples, joining the United States and the former Soviet Union in this exclusive club. The most recent mission, Chang'e 5, aimed to collect samples from a previously unexplored area of the moon known as Mons Rumker. Today, the lunar soil collected by Chang'e 5 is providing scientists with a wealth of information, helping us to further our understanding of our closest celestial neighbor. After a journey of over 380,000 kilometers, the Chang'e 5 lander successfully touched down on the moon's surface. A landmark moment indeed, and the beginning of an incredible process that would see the lander collect samples from a part of the moon that had never been touched before. The destination was Mons Rumker, a volcanic complex in the Ocean of Storms, an area with a unique lunar masonry waiting to be explored. Upon touchdown, the lander sprang into action. Time was of the essence, and every moment counted. The lander, armed with a suite of scientific instruments, got to work immediately. One of the most crucial tools at its disposal was a drill, designed to pierce into the moon's crust and collect samples from varying depths. The robotic arm, an engineering marvel in its own right, operated the drill with precision. It dug into the lunar surface, reaching depths of up to 2 meters. This was no small feat. The moon's surface is covered with a layer of fine dust known as regolith, which is notoriously difficult to penetrate. But the lander was up to the task, and the drill successfully collected the coveted lunar soil. Collecting these samples was not merely about obtaining moon soil. It was about gathering pieces of the moon's past, fragments of its geological history that could provide valuable insights into volcanic activity, impact events, and possibly even clues about the origins of our solar system. Each grain of lunar soil could potentially hold answers to questions scientists have been asking for decades. Once the samples were safely stored, the lander had another critical task to perform. It had to launch the ascent vehicle, carrying the precious lunar soil back into lunar orbit. This was another crucial step in the mission, and it was carried out with the same precision and dedication as the rest of the mission. Using its robotic arm, the lander drilled into the lunar surface, collecting samples from depths of up to 2 meters. This marked the successful completion of a significant phase of the mission, the collection of lunar samples, a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. Once the samples were collected, the lander's ascent vehicle launched from the moon's surface, carrying the precious cargo back to lunar orbit. This marked not only the end of Chang'e 5's mission on the moon's surface, but also the beginning of its return journey to Earth. The ascent vehicle, with its valuable payload of lunar soil, had to reconnect with the orbiter module still circling the moon. This docking process, carried out some 380,000 kilometers away from Earth, was a remarkable feat of precision and engineering. With the samples safely aboard, the orbiter module then set a course for home. The journey back took a few days, during which the orbiter traveled at speeds of up to 1.2 kilometers per second. As it neared Earth, the orbiter released the return capsule, which was designed to withstand the intense heat generated during re-entry into our planet's atmosphere. The descent back to Earth was a nerve-wracking moment. The capsule had to survive the fiery re-entry, then deploy parachutes to slow down its descent. While the process was automated, the stakes were high. The success of the mission depended on the safe return of the capsule and its precious cargo. On December 17, 2020, the return capsule successfully landed in Inner Mongolia, China, bringing back the first lunar samples in over 4 decades. The capsule's landing was a momentous occasion, not just for the CNSA, but for the global scientific community. These lunar samples, untouched for billions of years, hold valuable information about the moon's history and evolution. The Chang'e 5 mission is a testament to human ingenuity, and its success marks a new chapter in lunar exploration. The samples it brought back will keep scientists busy for years to come, as they unravel the secrets of our closest celestial neighbor. The journey of these lunar samples from the moon's surface to Earth is just the beginning of their story. The discoveries they enable will continue to shed light on the mysteries of the moon, enriching our understanding of the cosmos. The success of the Chang'e 5 mission has paved the way for future lunar exploration. The China National Space Administration, or CNSA, has already begun planning their next steps in deep space discovery. With the lunar soil samples back on Earth, scientists have been given a treasure trove of information about the moon's past. But what about the moon's future, particularly in relation to human exploration? The Chang'e program is far from over. In fact, it's only just beginning to heat up. The next missions, Chang'e 6, 7 and 8, are already in the works, each with their own unique objectives and challenges. Chang'e 6 aims to bring back samples from the moon's south pole, a region that is believed to contain water ice, a critical resource for potential lunar habitation. Chang'e 7 is set to perform a detailed survey of the South Pole, studying its surface composition and subsurface structure. It will also investigate the possibility of the presence of water in the region. This detailed reconnaissance mission will be crucial in understanding the potential for long-term human presence on the moon. And then there's Chang'e 8, the mission that could change everything. It will test key technologies needed for the construction and operation of a lunar research station. Yes, you heard that right. A lunar research station could be on the horizon, a permanent outpost where humans and robots work side by side to unravel the mysteries of the moon and beyond. All these missions underscore China's commitment to lunar exploration. They are laying the groundwork for the next giant leap in space exploration, a crewed lunar mission. While no official announcement has been made yet, there's a palpable excitement in the air. The day when astronauts set foot on the moon again might not be too far off. CNSA is already planning future missions to the moon, including potential crewed missions and the establishment of a lunar research station. The moon's future is looking brighter than ever, and we can't wait to see what new discoveries lie in wait. As we continue to explore the wonders of our universe, the successful collection of soil samples from the moon serves as a reminder of humanity's spirit of exploration and discovery. The Chang'e 5 mission stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless quest for knowledge. This remarkable feat of engineering has not only shed light on the moon's history and composition, but also opened new avenues for future lunar exploration. The information we glean from these samples will undoubtedly propel us forward in our understanding of the cosmos. It's an exciting time to be a part of this journey of discovery as we push the boundaries of what we know about our celestial neighbor. So, let's celebrate this achievement, and look forward to the many adventures that lie ahead in our exploration of the moon and beyond. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up.